Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you a cute and affordable gift that my girls and I made as a last minute Mother's Day gift. We had a great time making it and it was a hit. So I'm going to show you right now step by step how we did it. So let's go. Alright, here is what you're going to need. Some art or construction paper to form your flowers. Some gift filler, which is just like a shredded paper in brown preferably, pipe cleaners in green for the stems, a spoon, scissors, and a pencil. Those pink papers are just an extra. I'll show you what I'm going to use those for later. Glue sticks, especially if you have little ones working on this, a glue gun and glue gun glue sticks. These are peat pots. I found them at the dollar store and I just figured they would be easy to use in place of a styrofoam cup or a styrofoam filler to stick the flowers in. Some tins or pots. A circular container to trace. And pictures. So you just need some pictures of your little ones, and you want to make sure the circular container is the correct size to go around their face. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the circular container to trace a circle on the back of my paper, and I'm going to use the spoon to make the petals of the flower. Then I'm going to cut this out, and there's my flower. And to make this easier, I actually on the other pages traced the flower in one spot and then folded the paper into 4 sections and cut it that way just to make it go quicker. I actually prepped and did all the tracing beforehand because I figured it would be a little bit difficult for the kids, and they did a lot of the cutting for me and the gluing. Now, using your circular container, I actually used a breast milk storage container, but it was the perfect size. You're going to trace around your little one's head, cut it out, and then it's time for gluing. And this is the perfect part for the kids to help with. They just stick it right in the center, and it's going to be the perfect size for your flower because we used the same circle as the center of our flower when we were tracing. And don't worry, the lid is on that glue stick she's chewing on. I'm watching her really closely. Here are completed flowers. Now we're going to stick the stem on the back using hot glue. Now we're going to take our peat pots, stick holes in the top. I just used a pen and made 3 spots so our pipe cleaners will fit. You're going to stick the flowers in. I ended up folding the pipe cleaners in half and kind of twisting the stem just to make them the correct size. You can stick some hot glue around the base to kind of keep them more secure. Next, we take our filler paper and stick that in around the base just to cover everything up. And that is it. This makes the perfect gift for kids to make and give with a little bit of help. I hope this was helpful and you have a great time making these with your own kiddos. For lots more DIYs, motherhood, organization, and lifestyle videos, please subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one.